In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Instagram feed in GoDaddy. If you want to display your latest Instagram content directly on your website, GoDaddy makes the process pretty simple. Adding an Instagram section is a great way to keep your site looking fresh and visually engaging, especially if you regularly post photos, reels, or updates on your Instagram account. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps so you can get it set up quickly and publish the changes to your site. To begin, go ahead and open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Make sure you're using the account that manages the website you want to edit. Once you're logged in, look for your profile area. This is where you can access your account settings and the products connected to your GoDaddy account. From there, click on My Products. This page shows the different services and websites attached to your account. Find the specific website where you want to add the Instagram feed and make sure you select the correct one before moving forward. This is important if you manage more than one website. After you've found the right website, click Edit Website. This will open the GoDaddy website editor, where you can make visual changes to your site layout and content. Give it a moment to load fully so you can see all of the editing options clearly. Once you're inside the editor, click Add Section. This lets you insert a new content block into your page. In the search area, type Instagram. When the Instagram option appears, click it. You'll then be able to choose a layout that fits the style of your website. Take a moment to preview the available layouts and select the one that best matches the look and feel you want. Some layouts may highlight images more prominently, while others may fit better into a clean or minimal design. After the Instagram section has been added, you can go ahead and connect your Instagram account. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the connection. Make sure the correct Instagram account is selected so the right content appears on your site. If needed, review how the feed looks in the editor before finalizing everything. Once you're done and happy with how the Instagram feed appears, click Publish. This makes your changes live, so visitors to your website can see the new Instagram section right away. And that's it. You've successfully added an Instagram feed in GoDaddy. If you want, you can always return to the editor later to adjust the layout or placement so it fits even better with your website design.